everyone! For my math subject in my homeschooling, my lesson is about changing mixed fractions to improper fractions. So what is a mixed fraction? A mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. What is an improper fraction? An improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator. This is an example of a mixed fraction. 4 1/3. This is also an example of a mixed fraction. It's 5 2/3. We call this a mixed fraction because 4 is the whole number and 1/3 is a fraction that is called proper fraction because its numerator is less than its denominator. So how do we change mixed numbers or mixed fractions into improper fractions? There are two ways in changing them. First, we will multiply the whole number and the denominator. So 4 times 3. And then we are going to add the numerator, which is 1. And the denominator will always be 3. And then we will solve it. So 4 times 3 is 12. And plus 1 is 13. So let us write 13. And as what I've said, 3 will be the denominator for this mixed fraction. Now, it is an improper fraction because its numerator is greater in value than its denominator. Look! It's 13 thirds. Second way of changing mixed fractions into improper fractions. We will do it in a logical way. So, our whole number is 4, so we draw 4 circles. We will also write the fraction 1/3. And then draw 3 equal parts and shade one part. Okay. So this is 1/3 because one part is shaded out of the 3. Since the whole number is 4 and the denominator is 3, we should divide all these circles into 3 equal parts. So we should shade all of these equal parts because it is a whole number. Now, let us count all the shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus this shaded part in the fraction 1/3. 13. So, this is all 3 equal parts, and then 3, 6, 9, 12 plus 1 equals 13. So let's put 13. And the denominator will be 3. Because it is divided into 3 equal parts each circle. And look, our answer is the same. For the second given mixed fraction, we will do the same. 5 and 2/3. As what we've done earlier, we should multiply the whole number and the denominator. 5 times 3. And we should add the numerator. Plus 2. And remember, the denominator will be the same for this fraction. 5 times 3 equals 15, plus 2 equals 17. And the denominator will be the same, 3. So it's 17 thirds. This is the improper fraction of the mixed fraction. I will show you the logical way of doing this mixed fraction. So the whole number is 5. So we draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our fraction is 2/3. So we are going to draw a 2/3 circle. So 3 parts and shade 2. And then we are all going to divide these 5 circles into 3 equal parts because its denominator is 3. And because it is a whole number, we will shade all of the parts of each circle. Now we will count all the shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Plus these 2 shaded parts here. 16 and 17. So there are 17 shaded parts, which will be our numerator, and the denominator will be always 3 for this mixed fraction. Look, our answer is the same. In conclusion, the life lesson that I have learned from this topic is that sometimes we go through mixed feelings, mixed emotions, mixed decisions that cause us trials, troubles, and problems. In our human minds, we may think that this is the improper way on how we can change our lives. But God knows the best